So today's puppet show that I just saw in my neighbor's house, I'm Zoe, and today's the puppet show. Behold. Oh my, what a beautiful house! La 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 la. Wow! Hello guys, my name is Zoe. I'm Zevi. Zevi, what are you doing here? Someone wants to talk to you. Here's the phone. Okay. La 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 la. Oh, Ziggy's coming to the house for the party. What a night. What? How sweet. Okay, goodbye. Ziggy, you're here. Let me carry you. La, 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 la. Where's Zevi? Okay, I'll just get her. La, 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 la. Oops. Ziggy fell. What do we need to do? Do we need to get a Band-Aid? We don't have a Band-Aid. I didn't carry any. I didn't even have a bag. What are we going to do, Zoe? I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. So what I do? Let's go to the house. No. Zoe, you are gonna stay here outside, Zoe. We are going in the house. I'm still gonna stay here. Oh, the phone. It's on the ground. I'm gonna call Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad, sister left me outside from the party because they just left because Ziggy had a boo-boo and I didn't get a Band-Aid. I did have a Band-Aid, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna stay by the flowers. I'm just gonna lay down, take a nap.
Hold on for a second. This floating's got me all giggled out. Going to your home for a snack? Cool. Where is it?
It was just a dream. Where is he? Ziggy. Oh, yes. Let's go inside. The end. Goodbye.